Hallöchen, you guys, how are you guys doing today? So today I want to do something kind of new. I want to do the whole collection Roulette. This was invented by Alexi, and she's doing it together with another girl. I follow her as well. I just forgot her name. I will link those channels down below. And I thought, if I'm not doing a project pan with makeup products, I could at least do this whole collection Roulette. So I will pick 5 products. I will give myself 2 weeks to use those and then roll in 5 new products, right? That's the point of all of this. So I have my spreadsheet and I have 600, right? Wait. Whole collection Roulette. I have 577 products in it. If there is a palette, I obviously just need to use that palette, right? So I'm gonna randomize 5 numbers. This is 319. 319 is, because I'll forget otherwise, Kiko Long Lasting Eyeshadow in 220. 251 NYX for White in Vanilla, then 491 is the MAC Powder Matte Lipstick in Sweet No Sugar. Next one is 463. 463 is the MAC lipstick in Coaster Chic. And last one is 16. 16 is, must be in primer, I think. 16 is Catrice 10 Sensational 10 in 1 Dream Primer. Okay, I will pick up all those products and I'll be right back. So I am back with the 5 products. First of all is the Catrice 10 Sensational 10 in 1 Dream Primer. This is this one. I have used this a couple times and I like it, so I'm fine to use this one for sure. Then I have the 4 Whites in Vanilla, which is a yellow color. Pretty easy to use this one. I haven't used this one in quite a while, so I'm pretty happy I rolled this one in. This is the Kiko eyeshadow in 220. It's a very pretty pink shade. And 2 MAC lipsticks. One in Coaster Chic, which is a coral with a golden reflect, and the Powder Kiss lipstick in Sweet No Sugar, which is a very pretty nude. So I will use those for the next 2 weeks. We'll try to use them more than once, and then I'll come back to you guys and pull out 5 more products. That's the point of this, right? So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye!